Okay, you guys, let's get into it. I told you guys I will be making my own Egusi soup. Like, literally making my own Egusi soup. I cannot believe it, you guys. I went into like 3, 4 different stores trying to find the Egusi, the actual Egusi. Because I didn't want to do like pumpkin seeds or all the different type of seeds. I just wanted to kind of make this easy as possible, being that this is my first time. So yeah, you guys, I'm just showing y'all what I'm using. Y'all see the vegetables, I got the garlic and the palm oil. I got the fufu, chicken broth, green onions. I did get some little steaks to put up in there, but the important part, you guys, I start out with like some diced tomatoes and whole tomatoes. You just want to blend those all up. You want to blend all your vegetables, your onions, all that stuff. We're gonna be blending it up, so y'all watch me like literally do this, and also watch me make a big mess because yeah, this was very messy. I don't know why it was leaking out, but I had to fix that. So yeah, so I just blended all the tomatoes, got it at a good consistency, and we're gonna add it into the pot. So pretty much everything that I blend together, putting in the blender, I will be adding into the pot. So yes, y'all give me some little pointers on if y'all do know how to make some African Egusi soup. Let me know what I could have done. I don't know if I was a fan of the palm oil or not. I do want to try a different brand to see if it have a little bit more flavor. But for now, you know what I'm saying, I get the concept of everything and where it's going, so I know what to do next time to kind of improve. So yeah, I'll be definitely doing that. And yes, you guys, like I said, I'm gonna be blending everything, like everything all up. So it's pretty much easy. If y'all watch videos, you'll see. So yeah, this is my spinach. All the spinach, I did cut them up, and yeah, I stir it in the pot. Yeah, pretty much. So make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. I will be posting a TikTok video showing y'all everything I use and how I did it. So yeah, here we go. What's up, you guys? KENNA here. I'm back again with another vlogging vlog. I only took that wig off. I thought I was gonna have a line. I did have a little line right there, but I don't know what happened. But you guys, I am happy Saturday. Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't vlogged or anything in a long time. I haven't really vlogged. I did a little soft little doop. Put some little done on my face. I'm in the truck, and y'all, I feel like I get chauffeured in this truck, but big. Oh my gosh, I'm about to go eat. Me and my friend and her daughter's actually going to a birthday party, birthday dinner, so we're about to, you know, kind of ship around. We'll eat, do our own little, you know what I'm saying, the 1, 2, 3. I'm hungry. Maybe it's I'm hungry and I get so irritable when I'm hungry. To the Cheesecake Factory and eat really quick, get something to eat. But what's today? Monday's the 5th. I just wanted to hop on here and show y'all me. Come on a vlog and show y'all me, cause I haven't been on here since the last time I was on here. I don't even remember. I'm going on a trip, so I was thinking about, you know, doing me some lashes while on a trip, because I'm being in the water, stuff like that. I'm actually getting some braids, but I'm tired. I literally didn't go to bed until like 5 o'clock this morning. My schedule is all the way off. I be up all night and want to sleep all through the day, but today I woke up at 12. I think it's like 12:20, because I knew I had to get myself together, do my hair, because I washed my hair last night. Well, I ain't washing my, Nikita washed it last night and blow dried it for me. Yeah, so I just take out the perimeter of my hair and I braid, and then I put my clip-ins in. So these are my Amazon clip-ins, and they so convenient. Like I said, I don't even use majority of my hair out at all, because you'll have to be flat iron your hair, putting, you know, heat, all that. So I just leave the middle part, the perimeter, and then the back, like all the whole perimeter of my head, and then everything else is like braided, so it makes it so much easier to just lay the tracks for the clip-ins. I don't know why I keep looking like my lip got that white stuff from talking, but anyways, yeah, y'all, I'll show y'all once we get to the Cheesecake Factory. She has liquor. Oh, ain't none of that.
Y'all in that middle lane there.
Not really anywhere to be out here either.
You can go to Macy's.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Guys, I'm actually about to film some content. I'm so behind with content, you guys, but this company actually sent me some earbuds. I'm gonna show y'all the earbuds. She got them, Nikita got them, but this company sent me some earbuds to try out. They on Amazon. They like real high quality earbuds. I've been using them, but I'm gonna be really using them after I shoot this content. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I'm doing. I kind of got an idea of what I'm going, but I'm pretty much gonna go with the flow, and it's gonna be like something simple. So with that being said, yeah, let's go shoot some content. I'm gonna show y'all the earbuds. So yeah, we are at fourth ward. The little park. Fourth ward. So let's make this. This one I got on, y'all. I feel big. Look at the waterfall. How you doing? Good. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm about to just do something simple real quick. Oh, I was talking about that bench up there. We can just walk around. We can just walk around here. We got. Okay, let's do. Okay.
I would like to get to know if it could be what kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that we should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Got that. Alright, stop it. Are you taking pictures? Do video.
Why the hell you ain't say change it? I'm still holding it. Girl.
You ready?
Yes.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking asleep.
Oh, the thing. Oh, this little hot. Or these are them. This the left ear. I can't really see. I'll probably show y'all a better view once I make it. This is what it look like. I actually like this. Don't hate that. My earbuds.
Whatever.
Like they black. Y'all already know how I am with black.
Hard
So yeah. I just finished creating content. About to go eat. About to eat at Shake Shack. Y'all, after just doing a little content, y'all, I'm hungry. Get a little burger. I don't know which. Oh, I think I gotta go through here. But yes, you guys, about to eat really quick. I'll show you guys my food once I get it. I gotta upload this content today so I can get compensated for this brand. This, you know, these earbuds are definitely sponsored. So yes, you guys, show you my food. I'm getting here because I don't know where I'm going. You know, you gotta watch your surroundings. So peace out. Guys, I'm about to go to some like waterfalls or something like that. I don't really know. I'm about to go to like some waterfalls, and I'm trying to put my jacket on. It's cold in my house, but I know it's not cold outside. I'm sure it's hot out there, but this is what I got on. I don't know if y'all can see me. And I got my New Balance. And oh yeah, so while we at it, let me just show y'all the earbuds. Yes, y'all, so these are the Poly Boyega. I think it's called Poly Boyega 60 Plus wireless headphones. You guys, they sent me these. These are from Amazon, and they are listed in my store as well, so it will be always linked in the description bar, so make sure y'all check that out. But yes, y'all, these are the headphones. I got my phone. I was trying to show y'all, but are connected to my phone. So let me get my phone. So my phone right here, I do have it connected. Oh, the lighting. This is my phone and the earbuds, you guys. So yes, this is my phone and the earbuds. So it's already connected to my phone, so I'm about to listen to some music. Like, let me show you how it works. It's already connected, so once, like I said, it's already connected, so I can just pop these in. Y'all might hear it, I don't know. I don't know if y'all was able to hear it, but it is connected. All you had to do is pretty much download, order these for one, order them, and then it's compatible to my phone. You guys, I just absolutely love this product, you guys. It's like the best. Oh my god, and it's like cute. Like, I'm so in love. I used it on yesterday, and like, my daughter can't hear me. I was talking to her and she stated that she can hear me, but let me show y'all. Like, I just absolutely love. Like, fit my ears so Well, I just absolutely love them. And y'all black, so anything black, that's like my favorite. It's comparable, like I said. Alright, so yes, y'all, make sure y'all check it out. Like I said, it'll be in my Amazon storefront down below in the description. So let's go to the waterfalls.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied.
Where we going?
Girl with some skills, I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the top, I'm balanced, I'm leveling. Red under my heels, I ain't stumbling. You nigga wanna buy me, Chanel, Dior, Versace.